Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you a magical remedy to grow your hair super fast with very simple and natural ingredients you do have at home with just two simple ingredients and if you apply it on your hair twice a week, try to apply it before you sleep overnight. I promise you the very dramatic result. This is an Ayurvedic remedy that has been used for thousands of years for hair growth and it works for all hair types. It will give you dramatic results. Your hair will grow super fast and it also thicken the hair. So the first thing we'll need, my friends, is 2 onions, or depending on your hair size, and you need to shred the onion like so or cut the onions in pieces. Once we chopped all the onions, we need to place them into a food processor or a grinder to grind them into a fine paste. And then, my friends, after grind all the onions, we need to strain it to get the fresh onion juice. Once you got the onion juice like so ready for our adding the second ingredient, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, yani nariyal ketel, and mix these ingredients very well until they combine and get very well mixed. Once they are mixed, dip in a cotton ball and drip the water, the remedy water, on your scalp and massage your scalp with this magical remedy. Will give you the dramatic results. Try to use this twice a week for the best results ever and leave it in your roots and go to sleep with this. You can wear a shower cap or something. It will get you a dramatic result. This is an Ayurvedic remedy that has been used for thousands of years and it gives the dramatic results for all hair types. I promise you the very very magical results, my friends, if you use this remedy to grow your hair super fast. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you overnight hair growth magical formula. It works like magic, my friends, and if you apply this magical formula overnight, you will maybe need to cut your hair because it's super fast for growing your hair very long and very thick. So the first thing we'll need to prepare this magical formula is 1 onion, and we need to juice the onion like so. And the second ingredient we'll need to add on this magical formula is we need to crack 1 egg, and we need to get the egg whites. Actually, egg white contains very high amount of protein and it's very effective in hair growth. With onion juice, onion is a hair stimulant which will stimulate hair growth from the roots. Then, my friends, we'll need to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and here I'm using parachute coconut oil, but you can use whichever available for you. Now, we'll need to mix all the ingredients very, very well. Once we mixed all the ingredients very well, we need to apply it with an aid of cotton ball. My friends, don't massage the hair roots with the cotton ball, never ever, because this is not healthy for the hair roots. Start to apply it with kind of squeeze the cotton ball to get the drops inside the hair, and massage the scalp with your fingertips because this is the best way to massage your scalp, and this magical formula will make your hair grow very longer. Even if you don't have the right genetics to grow hair super long, this will help your hair and it will stimulate the hair growth for you. Leave this overnight and you can wear a shower cap, and on the next morning wash your hair. Repeat this twice a week for the best ever results. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.